Hi everyone, my name is Anushya Mageswaran. My metric number is 1718416 my course code is CQD7015 and course title is Human Resource Management and Industrial Relation. My instructor is Dr. Wang. I'm from Occurrence 1. Okay, my topic today is I've choose question number 2. How can compensation strategies and practices, example, pay freeze and performance-based pay enhance organizations' resilience, especially in time of economic downturn and high external environment uncertainty? Discuss the potential benefit and limitation of this strategy, focusing on their impact on employees' moral or and long-term organizations' outcomes. Okay, compensation strategies such as pay freeze and performance-based pay are two main strategies commonly used by an organization during the economic downturns and period of high external uncertainty, according to the Tan H. Hell and Zainal R in 2022. For example, this strategy was used during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2021. According to the Cochan T and Rubinstein has in 2022, the implementation of these two strategies can help the organization to reduce management costs and retain the talent of for productivity resilience for long-term sustainability. Let's we see the first strategy, first compensation strategy, performance-based compensations. What the benefit by this performance-based compensations? Okay, the benefit is giving recognition to highly performing employees by aligning the organization's goals to increase productivity, according to Mohammad Isa and Salim, 2022. For high-performing employees feel valued and motivated, thus bring commitment and loyalty in the company. Besides, the long-term retention of high-performing employees will contribute to long-term productivity and innovation. It's ensured that resources are allocated efficiently and optimal, as a compensation is directly linked to the value creation. Example of the compensation is like annual bonuses, sales commissions, and reward based on the key performance indicator, which we call as a KPI. Okay, let's we look what the limitations. The limitation for employees may focus slowly on their task for rewards, neglecting the teamwork or knowledge sharing. This can stifle innovation and reduce collectively productivity, especially in the interdependence roles. So the organization can focus this strategy implementation to balance on the short-term survival with the long-term sustainability, according to the Tan HL and Zainal R in 2022. So let's move the second compensation strategy is the pay freeze. Okay, let's we look what the benefit for the pay freeze. The benefit is the implementation of the pay freeze in the organization is immediate cost saving, where allows the company to control overall management costs and all the expenses without laying off their employees. With this, it can maintain the stability of the workforce in the company. In addition, the benefit we can see is that by avoiding layoff or downsizing, job security of the employees, where employees feel their job is still guaranteed, which can maintain employees' morale despite the current challenging times, according to the Smith R and Mazin R in 2021. Although the pay freeze will reduce the morale of the employees, but this strategy is temporary and transparent. The communication aspect can help employees to understand the true situation of the companies. The employees are more interested in a job security than compared to the salary increase in times of uncertainty environment. By retaining the skilled workers during the economic downturn, companies can avoid the cost of rehiring skilled workers and associate training costs in the long term. Okay, what the pay freeze limitation. Okay, for the pay free limitation, the main challenge is the retention of high performing employees, where when the company implements a pay freeze, high performing employees will leave the company and look for opportunity elsewhere. Employees also feel that the compensation that they receive is not worth for their effort, leaving these employees as the potential to reduce talent in the company, according to the Tan and Zainal 2022. Okay, let's we look what the impact on employee moral or and long-term organization's outcome. A study on the Malaysian MSC company by Velu S in 2022 was conducted to see the impact of organizations' resilience, where the compensation one of the factors that affected organization performance by affecting employment commitment and motivations. Employees are an organization's most valuable asset, which the organization ability to respond to the shock and assets shocks and are dependent on the workers' capacity to respond and to deal with the obstacles and threat. A socio-economic system is critical to whether the organization's risk and stressful circumstances are mitigated, according to the Bernard and Brahma 2011. This study also suggests that well-designed compensation strategy can increase the organizational resilience and thus improve the workforce performance and their continual commitment. However, the organization need to carefully design the implementation of compensation strategy with the transparency and fairness to continue the company long-term sustainability, according to Tan HL and Zainal in 2022. Thank you.